Hello friends, I am Dr. Rupa Gupta. In this video, I am going to explain multiple choice questions on research methodology. So let's start with question number 1. Which of the following variables cannot be expressed in quantitative terms? Option A, socio-economic status. B, marital status. C, numerical aptitude. D, professional attitude. And the correct answer is C, that is numerical aptitude. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a graphic representation? Option A, pie chart. B, bar chart. C, table. D, histogram. And the correct answer is C, table. Question number 3. The core elements of dissertation are Option A, introduction, data collection, data analysis, conclusions and recommendations. B, executive summary, literature review, data gathered, conclusions, bibliography. C, research plan, research data analysis, references. D, introduction, literature review, research methodology, results, discussion and conclusion. And the correct answer is D, that is introduction, literature review, research methodology, results, discussion and conclusion. Question number 4. A variable that is manipulated is known as Option A, dependent variable. B, control variable. C, independent variable. D, confounding variable. And the correct answer is C, that is independent variable. Question number 6. An overall outline of procedures and operations that includes methods, techniques and tools of study. Option A, research design. B, the developing of technique of data collection. C, the decisions that a researcher makes or takes to verify the data. D, the way to participate in an ongoing research project. And the correct answer is A, research design. Question number 5. Observation is of no use in collecting Option A, full events. B, past event. C, present events. D, all of the above. And the correct answer is B, past events. Question number 7. A hypothesis which develops while planning the research is Option A, null hypothesis. B, working hypothesis. C, relational hypothesis. D, descriptive hypothesis. And the correct answer is B, working hypothesis. 8. Questions which seek information is called Option A, factual question. B, opinion question. C, hypothetical question. D, marginal question. And the correct answer is B, that is opinion question. Thank you.